Hey YouTube, this is my bike check of the Eastern Growler. I got, I start with the top actually. I have ODI long necks, Eastern stem, blue. I got Demolition Concord forks. I got an Animal Javelin hub with an Animal rim, with a G Sport front hub guard, with a Shadow little one pegs. I got in the back. I got stock cranks. I got Odyssey twisted PC pedals in chrome blue.
Some grip tape on them.
Yeah, and Odyssey brake pads. Odyssey A. Another Animal GLH in the back, and Shadow Scream sprocket. Shadow interlock 2 chain, and Shadow Conspiracy seat with a nitro seat post, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And that's my bike.
So is my double bike check with me and Mark. Starting off here at the top, I got the Colt Death Row V2 bars scratched up because I've only been riding for 1 day though. I got my ODI long neck grips with duo bar ends. I got my exposure brake lever, my Odyssey linear cable. I think it's a slick cable. And then I got my Fit download drop stem with Shadow Conspiracy hollowed out stem bolts. I got my Odyssey integrated headset, my Odyssey CST race forks with my Primo Dirt Monster in the front and my Primo V Monster in the back. They're both tan walls. And then I got an Odyssey hazard light laced to a Animal Javelin hub. See the Animal. And then we got G Sport gland hub guard laced to an Animal light. With an Animal light peg. And my frame is a Fitman 3 stock frame. I got duo rogue status pivotal seat, and then I got the Federal seat post with the Demolition revolver cranks, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, and a Demolition bottom bracket. And then I got right here, I got the stock sprocket and Shadow.
No, stolen
chain, and then I got Odyssey hazard light in the back, laced to an Odyssey V3 hub. I got Odyssey A brake pads and Animal light peg and BSD hub guard, and then Odyssey cap, and yeah, that's my bike check.